What's a special today? It's a feast, isn't it? Feast means it's a celebration. It's a celebration of our patron saint. We see, if I ask, many will say, because we have studied in the quiz program, isn't it? So let me ask something. Where St. Ignatius was born? Where St. Ignatius was born? Okay, he belongs to which country? Then when he was born? In which year? When he was died? Okay, some sort of activeness I just wanted to expect from you. That's good. So coming to the point, it's a great appreciation to all for organizing this beautiful event to make it a indelible and remarkable one. It's always good that passing on the comment and the appreciation to everyone, starting from the principal and vice principal and all the in charges and teachers. That's good. And it was really it's a good event that with all the teamwork, both teaching staff and non-teaching staff. So, and also the organizers, particularly the group of St. Ignatius teachers in charge, and also the students who are getting involving in this program. So let's give a big thunder of applause to all the organizers, all those who are passing on their work today. Let's little more louder. So as I said it over in the Holy Mass, St. Ignatius of Loyola, though he lived very short, but edified so many. So just take up three things from here. Number one, he is a warrior. He's a man who's a warrior. In the initial stage, up to 26 years old, he was a warrior in the battlefield as a soldier. Then he got a turning point in his life. He has got a paradigm shift in his life. Then he became the warrior of God. And he became the warrior in education. He became the warrior in the contribution of the education field. See, that was a big contribution that he has given to the society, particularly in India. Because of this man, St. Ignatius of Loyola, because of his companions who travel all over the world, particularly in India, we have got the good, highly education system through this man contribution. Second, he is a man of visionary. He has got a vision, something to achieve. So each one is needed, a vision in our life. Being a student, being a correspondent, and being a principal or being a teacher, whatever may be. We need a vision for to do work over in the society. So he is a man who achieved all the visionary aspect that he has got in his mind, and now we are having the fruits from his vision. The third thing about his sincerity and commitment, dedication that he has undertaken in the field of capturing the souls and also passing on the beautiful contribution of the education. So therefore, let's catch up the beautiful qualities from the St. Ignatius of Loyola. Number one, let's become the warrior in our education, warrior in learning. Second, let's be a visionary at the early stage of your school life. Third, let's be a commitment, sincere and dedicated life in our school life, in our years to come. அன்பார்ந்த பெற்றோர்களே, ஒரு மனிதனுடைய கனவும் ஒரு மனிதனுடைய உழைப்பும் ஒரு மனிதனுடைய மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு தாக்கம் தான் இவ்வளவு பெரிய நிறுவனங்கள். பெற்றோர்களுக்காக கவனிங்கள். செயின்ட் இக்னேஷியஸ் ஆஃப் லோயோலா அவர் ஏறக்குறைய 1491 ஆண்டு பிறந்து 1556 ஆண்டு இறந்தவர். அவர் ஒருவருடைய கனவுதான் கல்வி பணிக்கு மிகப்பெரிய ஏறக்குறைய 450 ஆண்டுகளாக உலகம் முழுவதும் இந்தியா முழுவதும் கிறிஸ்துவ நிறுவனங்கள் நடத்தப்படக்கூடிய அத்தனை கல்விகளுக்கும் சேசு சபை குருக்களுடைய வித்து மிகப்பெரிய விதையாக மாறியது. ஆக விதைத்தவன் உறங்கினாலும் விதைப்பவன் உறங்குவது கிடையாது. ஆக அதுபோல புனித இக்னேஷியஸ் உடைய மிகப்பெரிய ஒரு contribution to the society. It's remarkable. Let's all enjoy and celebrate the fruits that we are rendering from St. Ignatius of Loyola. I wish you happy peace today. God bless you.